In this video, I'm going to show you how to steam block knitting without pins or blocking boards. I've got my iron. It is a Black & Decker, as you can see. It's already automatically steaming. However, you do have a steam button here that you can use to create more steam if you need to. But this is what I like to use. Also, I have a tea towel that sometimes I use on bigger things like scarves or blankets or something, and I'll get it wet. I wet the end just in case so I can show how to block my little piece here that I have going, just to show you. But it is wet on the end. I just wet it enough and then I squeegeed it out so it's damp and you're not going to soak your fabric. So I'm going to start with just the iron and I'm going to turn it around, and then I'm just going to lightly run the iron over. The steam will start coming out, but you can push the button again and just get it going. And you can see right away how it just flattened that out versus how it was curled. So you could do it that way. You can also, again, use the tea towel, place the wet part over that, and you can actually press down even more. You'll hear it steam. I kind of like to use the tea towel more because of the steam. Give it a little press. You see what you have. I've got different knits through here, so it's not going to be perfectly even, but you can go back over anything you might see and just flatten it out. Now I'm going to turn it over so you see what it looks like. It makes your fabric a little softer, and if it's something that you wear, like a scarf or a sweater or some sort of garment, you know, it'll lay a little nicer and not have that curl to it. Also, the setting that I use, this is wool, so I did use a wool setting, and you can go as low as synthetic all the way to cotton. So if your yarn is synthetic, I would start with the lower and then bump it up from there as you need more steam or more heat. If you like this tutorial, check out my other videos on my channel. Links are in the description. Please like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.